Hello. In this video, we will be looking at SMS Pro's Lost and Found module, which is an extremely useful tool for organizing and tracking reported lost or found items. One of the benefits of this module is that it can be used by the public and by SMS Pro users. You can allow public customers to report lost or found items by directing them to your module's URL link, such as by putting it on a button on your company's website, which saves employees data entry time. After following the link, public people will only have access to the Lost and Found module. The Lost and Found form is extremely easy to use. First, select whether you lost an item or whether you found an item. Next, fill out a description of the item, including what type of item it is. We also suggest filling out a subcategory if applicable, a brand if applicable, a general overview of characteristics, and a detailed description, such as any identifying features like a scratch, name, stain, and so on. Next, fill out location information where the item was lost or found. If you are filling out a found item, you will only need to enter in the specific location the item was found and a date, and then click Finish to submit your found item. Otherwise, if you lost an item, then add a date, and if applicable, flight information of the item where it was lost, including the departure and arrival city, flight number, and seat number. Finally, fill out contact information and mailing information, which includes the legal first and last name of the person who lost the item, phone number, country code, and number, email address and, if relevant, a company, and then the primary address including city, state, and zip code. Once you are finished filling out a lost or found item, click Finish. Now you will receive a success message and reference ID indicating that the item has successfully been submitted. It will now appear as a new item to manage in the Manage Lost and Found page. The Manage Lost and Found page is very straightforward. You can filter by the resolution status assigned to items. You can view the details of each item and set that item's resolution status by clicking View Details. You will see whether the item is reported as lost or found. Some details about the item are listed, such as the successful reference ID, the item details, and status. And there are several other basic options, such as going back to the reporting page or going to the item details page at the bottom of the screen. Let's view details on an individual item by selecting View Details. Individual item management has three basic parts. First, the information that has been submitted by the reporter. Next, comments about the issue, where you will want to log any relevant information regarding finding or returning the item to its owner, such as lost item reported at Seattle Airport location, and then contacted owner about found item, and so on. Add any new comments by typing them in and clicking the green plus icon. And lastly, the status of the current item. Statuses are saved by writing in a relevant comment for the status change and then clicking the green plus icon. If you accidentally select a status, simply reload the page. Once you update the status of an item, you see its updated status on the Manage Lost and Found Items page. As you can see, this module is really straightforward to use. If you have any further questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching.